Hi everybody, this is Venai from Venai's Corner, and here I'm showcasing my recent install on my client. He had about 1 inch of hair within his locks and requested custom cut and custom layered lock extensions. I purchased Afro Kinky bulk hair for this install. It was 8 inches in the shade 1B Black from YONNA Hair, and I did a great job on the texture match, as you can see here. I like to create the lock extensions during the service in order to further ensure that the hair grows out evenly and has a good amount of weight distribution on the lock. In the beginning of the video, I showcased my test locks that I created for the client just to show him what length I was able to create with the lock extensions without cutting them and layering them. After showing the client the test locks, we went ahead and made the decision of what areas to cut and what type of style we're going to create. I'm very pleased that I was able to give my client exactly what they had requested and simply see this vision come to life. The inspiration photos that he had showed me really helped me see, okay, what is it that he envisions for himself? What is the layers? What is the cut looking like? How's all going to come together in the end? And after steaming the hair, it really brought out that natural shine of the hair, softened it, and look, it's just flawless. I love it. How beautiful. And look at that smile. He's very happy. I'm so pleased.